we will see how to fix error code 72. The specified printer or disk device has been paused. Error redirect paused on your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. If you are also facing such type of error code, having printer or device driver related issue, then here are the fixes. Right click on start button and choose run. And in run command box, type services.msc and click on OK. Services windows will now open. Here under available services list, scroll down and go to print a spooler services. Simply right click on it. At first choose start, stop, and after wait sometimes and choose a start again. So first stop them and wait few seconds and start them again, and make sure that the startup type is set as automatic and choose apply and OK to save the changes. The next workaround to fix this issue is right click on start button and choose device manager. Here from the available device driver list, scroll down and go to disk driver section, expand it, right click on your disk driver and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. Same process will be applied for print queue. Scroll down and go to print queue section. If print queue section not available, simply go to top menu bar and go to view and choose show hidden devices. Click on show hidden devices and scroll down and you will find print queue section. Expand it, go to your printer, right click on it and choose update your printer driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. After that, close the windows and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to system settings, thereafter go to right side, scroll down and click on troubleshoot. Here click on other troubleshooters and here run printer troubleshoot. This is an important Windows inbuilt tool, troubleshoot, so you must run printer troubleshoot and follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process. After that, check whether your system error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose settings. Again open settings page and here from the left side go to Bluetooth and devices, click on it, thereafter go to right side and here click on printers and scanners. Here go to your printer having issues, open it and here open print queue, click on it and clear all your print queues. Simply select it and choose delete. So sometimes clearing print queue definitely will resolve your issue, so you must clear your print queue and here then scroll down and choose more devices and printing settings and make sure that your printers having green check or in ready mode. Right click on it and choose properties and make sure that under general this printer is working properly, the device is working properly. Under device status you will find, close the windows and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and again go to device manager, open device manager windows and here scroll down and Go to your USB section which your printer is connected, USB serial bus controllers, expand it. Here your USB, choose your USB root in which your printer is connected, right click on it and choose properties and make sure that the device is working properly. Here go to power management and make the check against option, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power and click on OK. After that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. And in command prompt windows, execute the command sfc/scan now, SCANNOW, and press enter and wait till 100% verification complete. It will scan your system for any bad or corrupted system files. And after that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, open run dialog box and here type RSTRUI and click on OK. This command will open restore system files and settings page. System restore can help fix problems that might be making your computer run slowly or stop responding. Click on next. Here choose a restoration point from which your computer was bring back where your computer was in good state. Click on next and finally confirm your restoration point. Choose finish. Follow on screen instruction to complete the restoration process. Your error will accordingly resolve. That